Hey YouTube, today I'm doing a video on my Bakugan. I just took it out of the box so I wouldn't have trouble like getting it out of the box. So yeah, I just took it out of the box. So the package was very well, it wasn't like all like and stuff. So I'm just doing unboxing. So I'm just set you guys down. I'm trying to put like a little stand thing. Make sure I don't cut it or cut myself. Wow, I thought it was gonna be easier. The box was easier to unpack. Put it all the way up. Man, I wish I had my pocket knife. Whew. Finally. There you go. So here it is, folks. I'm just get one of my Bakugan cards. See how he looks. Boom. Wow, he looks awesome. I have another one just like this in this kind. Here, let me close them real quick. So yeah. So thanks for watching YouTube again. Comment, rate, subscribe. Peace.